Welcome to BigONE Weekly News Update. I'm Gavin. The cryptocurrency market faced another sluggish week, with major assets under pressure as liquidity conditions tightened in the United States. During the 36th week of 2025, Bitcoin, BTC, slipped about 2%, closing near $112,000. Ethereum, ETH, fell 4.5% to $4,140, while Solana, SOL, dropped 9.3% to around $210. The decline also triggered widespread liquidations in the derivatives market, particularly among over-leveraged positions. A key indicator of market stress, the altcoin open interest ratio, surged well above the 1.4 warning threshold, reaching as high as 1.7 in recent weeks. This spike has fueled continued forced liquidations, with market attention now shifting toward Astromix's perpetual DEX project. Broader asset trends. While crypto struggled, traditional markets painted a different picture. U.S. economic data released last Friday outperformed expectations, easing immediate concerns about labor market weakness. As a result, optimism grew, shifting sentiment from a Goldilocks outlook to what some analysts dubbed a hot girl economy. U.S. equities saw minor declines. The S&P 500 lost 0.31%, Nasdaq fell 0.54%, Dow Jones slipped 0.15%, and the Russell 2000 retreated 0.59%. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury yield held at 4.174%. The U.S. dollar index rose 0.5%, gold surged 2.8% to surpass $3,800, up 42% year-to-date, and WTI crude jumped 5.3%. Divergence between crypto and traditional assets. Since August, U.S. stocks have reached new highs, bond yields have shown volatility, and precious metals have soared. Cryptocurrencies, however, have lagged behind, weighed down by the U.S. Treasury's tightening grip on liquidity. The Treasury General Account, TGA, which had bottomed out at $300 billion in late July, has since swelled to nearly $800 billion, just short of its $850 billion target. This liquidity drain, compounded by the depletion of the overnight reverse repurchase facility, has left U.S. domestic liquidity strained. On September 15th, the U.S. overnight financing rate, SOFR, spiked, underscoring the stress. Fortunately, much of this strain appears to have eased in recent weeks. Looking forward, the release of the U.S. non-farm payrolls report will be the next key macro event. Market participants appear largely unfazed by speculation that a potential government shutdown on September 30th might delay official data releases, with expectations of minimal impact. In the crypto space, investors are closely watching upcoming token unlocks, including 44 million SUI tokens and 41 million ENA tokens, both of which could influence market liquidity in the days ahead. Join BigONE today and take advantage of the growing cryptocurrency market.